this business inside and out.
Okay, I got a little secret for you. You're an entrepreneur. Well, guess what? You're going to get punched in the mouth. You're going to get kicked in the teeth. And you're going to lose multiple times. Do you give up or do you keep going? The choice is yours. I'll tell you what though, if you get back up and you dust yourself off and you persevere and you keep moving forward and have persistence, you will have success. The difference is you got to learn from your failures. We will all fail, okay? The school system has it wrong. A lot of times we think that if we fail, it's bad. No, we can learn from our failures, okay? We can learn from the things that set us back. And the key too is it's better to learn, it's good to learn from your mistakes, right? But it's even better to learn from another man's mistakes or another person's mistakes. So don't make the same mistakes I've made. Learn from the mistakes I've made, and do better than that. That's what's great about a mentor. A mentor is someone that has been there before you. A mentor is someone that can answer those questions. A mentor is someone that can give you the speed that you need for success. Okay? Don't let failure stop you. Do not let the punch in the mouth and the kick in the teeth stop you. Okay, I think it was Mike Tyson that said, yeah, you can have a game plan up until the point you get punched in the face. Okay, what are you going to do when you get punched in the face? Are you going to stop and give up? Well, don't give up. Don't stop. Keep going. I'm telling you, there is gold at the end of the rainbow. There is a ability to reach your goal if you persevere. If you talk to anyone with any success, in any sport, in any business, they can tell you that they have had setbacks, that they have had failures. We are no different than anyone else. God is not a respecter of persons. Okay? He gives us opportunities and it's up to us to take the opportunity. So don't give up, don't give up, don't give up.